In today's recipe, we will be sharing with you how to make these ham rolls stuffed with horseradish cheese. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need sliced ham, 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of horseradish sauce, half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of pepper. To the mascarpone cheese, we are going to add the mayonnaise, horseradish sauce, salt, and pepper, and we're going to mix thoroughly until everything is combined. We are going to transfer this mixture into a piping bag. We are going to pipe a line of our mixture onto a slice of ham, and we're going to roll tightly. This is optional, but if you wanted to, you can use some of the excess filling and pipe it onto the finished rolls. We are going to place our rolls in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Our rolls are ready, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!